Hello guys and welcome back to the new vlog. Today we are riding to Valpoi, one of the most beautiful village of Goa. So what we are riding is this, my Interceptor and Aprilia, both rolling together today. And we have one special guest, none other than and we have this lady. So see you on bike. Alright you guys, let's go.
Sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of beat, tested by the potion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Where I'm going, time, know the right way to go.
अपना ट्रैफिक We'll go there someday. I'm riding my baby Aprilia, one of the best scooter in the country. भाई साहब Interceptor का रोड ट्रैफिक है. I urge each and everyone watching this video to go and get one for me, and give one also for me because I want.
Set your waist, set your waist, set your waist. Looking on the city lights, I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up.
नज़ारा ही नज़ारा है. मेरा भी Hadki Ponda and Sri Savardan. Okay guys, so we are heading to Krishnapur and this is the road which leads to that place. And currently, to be honest, we are in a jungle, but we are not stuck. Oh bhai, oh bhai. यार ये तो हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. Just look at this. I don't know if GoPro is doing the justification to this scenic view or not. और हमें एक बंदे ने बोला है कि यहाँ पे 3 वाटर क्रॉसिंग मिलेंगे. So I see this one is dry. यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है. So heading towards the next one. Guys, one more thing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe it, and do like this video and share it with your friends and family and neighbors also, and help me to reach 1000k as soon as possible, because buying this equipment like GoPro and all are very expensive. और जब तक YouTube पे नहीं करेगा, we cannot afford these things and continue the channel. So please help me so that I can buy more equipment and आपको भी ऐसे ही वीडियोस एवरी वीक लाते रहे हम लोग। ओह माय गॉड, यहाँ से तो मतलब हमें जल्दी निकलना पड़ेगा। अगर टाइगर बीच में आ गया, लायन बीच में आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? Oh god, apa era pwede what? Raw. Okay guys, so we have reached the destination and the place is amazing. But please ignore our tired face.
Well, set your waist, set your waist, set your waist. Looking on the city lights. Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regret. Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regret. Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regret. Far away, far away, far away.
सुटलं आणि काहीच ना स्ट्रेट. लेफ्ट पूरा राइडर गरम हो गया. So guys, now we are halfway back and look at this jungle. Finally. Please.
Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regret. Far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on.
Now it's time to eat.